I designed and ran a treasure hunt for my husband's birthday. Let me show you how that went. So I can't take photos or video in the library, but I could take photocopies. So we have our book cover and the inside of the book cover. And here's our clue. The clue is an overlay that will go on the front cover like this. I had to provide the J. There's a place to write it out. It says, La Statue de Harajuku. And then some additional clues about the front cover.
Japanese alphabet.
I can help.
Hiragana alphabet. Oh yeah. All right. Hopefully this could be easier for you to do it.
Okay, so this is supposed to take us to a spot.
Well, I mean, there's only a couple alignment things that this can do, so.
Ignore the background noise as we're preparing for Nagoya Pride right now. But here's a little message for you, birthday boy. When you're feeling hungry, when you're on all fours, head down to TDM 1874. Love you. Happy birthday.
How the erasable pen works, actually, isn't he?
There? All right.
Looks like we're getting somewhere.
Over here. All right, all right.
Let's see if it works.
Let's see if this works.
Worse?
Works. Oh, and look at who this might be. All right.
Whoa.
We're doing an English-Japanese game.
Okay, the technical game is, so the next game is called Scenes from a Hat. So for instance, like last time we did this, I think we got the suggestion, we gave the prompt, everybody knows that blank. And one of the suggestions was, everybody knows that good beer comes from faucets. And we just did a small scene about that. So.
So there are two different ways this can go. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, good, she did add the characters to Shibuya in there. Since there are multiple hobgoblin rotations.
I'm so grateful to our friends for being part of this. An incredible number of people signed up for this either because I asked or because it was for him or both. And even more people wanted to join but just weren't able to. There are a few notable instances where someone saw what I was doing and gave it a yes and. They added their own layer of challenge. For the photo and video clues, for example, I assigned a location and asked people to present that information in whatever way made sense for them, and several of them created riddles. A couple people on the day added their own challenges in, like misdirection to an object that wasn't the clue, or had him play rock, paper, scissors before getting the clue card. It turns out we have some extra sneaky friends too. We'll call them Todd, Joe, and Matt. Todd had the idea to throw in a red herring, a fake clue, and Joe was going to give Matt some chili spices anyway. So they decided this is how they were going to do it. So as soon as I left Good Heavens, Joe put this bag on the table and said, "This was here the whole time." And everyone at the table said, yep, this was here the whole time.
Roman numerals M is...
How old are you?
34.
How old were you when you met him?
We met in 2000.
23 then?
So M is for Matt, and it's 15 grams of spices for 400 grams of chili. I love everything about this. I love that they did it. I even love that they didn't tell me about it. I only found out at the end of the night when I was leaving, which was the right time because nothing else was on my mind and I could really appreciate it. And it didn't interfere with anything I did. And I got to have a moment of surprise at someone else's planning, which is not what I expected from that day. On the whole, this was an enormous success, and maybe I won't wait another 10 years to plan the next one.